Days after the end of the ceasefire, the Israeli military is locked in fierce combat with Hamas militants in southern Gaza, even as reports said that the United States believes Israel could wrap up large-scale military operations in the area by January. Though Israel says it has been warning civilians to evacuate certain areas by dropping flyers and sharing online maps, Gazan said that there is no safe place as remaining towns and shelters were already overwhelmed, and Israel continued to bomb the areas where it is telling people to go. Israel's military bombarded southern Gaza's main city in what it said was the fiercest fighting since it began a ground invasion to eliminate Hamas 5 weeks ago, while the US again pressed Israel to minimize Palestinian civilian casualties. Israel reported its forces, backed by warplanes, on Tuesday reached the heart of Khan Yunis in southern Gaza and also surrounded the city. Hamas armed wing, the Al-Qassam brigades, said its fighters engaged in violent clashes with Israelis. "We are in the most intense day since the beginning of the ground operation," the commander of the Israeli military's southern command, General Yaron Finkelman, said in a statement. They were also the most pitched battles since a truce between Israel and Hamas collapsed last week. Israeli forces also fought in Jabalia, a large urban refugee camp and Hamas hotbed in northern Gaza next to Gaza City, and in Shujaiya, east of the city, Finkelman added. At Khan Yunis main Nasser hospital, the wounded arrived by ambulance, car, flatbed truck and donkey cart after what survivors described as a strike on a school being used as a shelter for the displaced. IDF forces eliminated several Hamas commanders and operatives in the northern Gaza Strip brigade, the second largest brigade of Hamas, who were hiding in a tunnel located near the Indonesian hospital during the strike, the military said in an update on X. Israel unleashed its campaign in response to an attack on October 7 by Hamas fighters who rampaged through Israeli towns, killing 1,200 people and seizing 240 hostages, according to Israel's tally. Israeli police are investigating alleged sexual crimes, and Israel's Justice Ministry has said victims were tortured, physically abused, raped, burned alive, and dismembered. Hamas media office said on Tuesday at least 16,248 people, including 7,112 children and 4,885 women, had been killed in Gaza by Israel's military since October 7. Thousands more are missing and feared buried under rubble. Those figures were not immediately verified by the Gaza Health Ministry.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.